Hi, my name is Kunal Raj, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate Web Technology Lab exercise number 9. The title of the experiment is to working with AJAX, and the main aim of the experiment is to create live username availability using AJAX and PHP. Now, in the previous experiment, experiment number 8, we just in the registration page we just have to use this code for creating AJAX. So, first of all, let us check the code. So this is the same PHP code that I have used in exercise 8. Now, a function that I have described is a function called check user. In this function, first of all, I am passing a string. So what it is, in username, in the text field called username, I have created a attribute called onBlur. So onBlur will be called whenever the username will lose focus and will go to some other field. So this attribute will call. Now here I have created I have called the function check user that I have created in the script. Now I'm passing whatever the value it is in username using this dot value. So in the function check user, object for XML HTTP request will be created. So this function or this object is for AJAX. So here I have created the object, and then I'm calling two functions. One is open and one is send. Now in this open function will pass three values. One is method, that is get or post. Then another is the name of the PHP file, it is check username .php, and then since it is get method, I'm embedding the name with the URL itself. Now the third value is boolean value, that is either true or false. Now next, once I create this, once I open the connection, I'll just send it. Now, so once we click send XML HTTP send, we have to call another function called onReadyStateChange. So this function will be called every time some change will be there in database. Now inside function we have if statement. So there are predefined two attribute called ready state and status. So these two value will be returned as 4 and 200 whenever there is a successful request and response between the client side and the server side. So once everything is done successfully, we will get the response text using this dot response text, and then we will show in the text field here that we have already created here. Now let us see check username.php. Here first of all I am getting the name using get method using super global variable, because we have embedded the name in the URL itself. Now I am establishing the connection using MySQL connect, passing the name of the server in the parameter in the argument, then the name of the username, and the name of the password of the database. Now I'm selecting the database as using MySQL select DB. Now if the input field is not blanked, then I'm creating a string using SQL named SQL. Then I'm giving the query here select star from user, where username like whatever the input that is given. If there exists a username called this, some value will be returned. Now if as we have provided username as unique, so only one column will be returned. Now if the number of rows will be returned using MySQL, if it is 0, that means there are no rows named like this. So this query will be, this if statement will be executed, and in the response text will be replying as username not exist. Now if there exists a row, that means only one row is there, some row is there other than 0, this else condition will be executed, where we'll be replying in response text as username already exists. Now let us see. So this is the sign up page, and we have a database here. So this all are the username. So there already exists a username called user2. So once I give user2, and if I click to somewhere else, it will show username already exists. So without reloading it is showing username already exists. So the AJAX is working here. Now let us give some other thing like hi. I'm giving username as hi. Now if I click on email address, the onBlur attribute will be called. So here username already exists. Now I'm giving something else. Suppose I'm giving webtech as username, and if I click on next, it says username not exist. So after this we can fill the form, and then suppose I'm giving email address as web@tech.com, password I'm going to 123. So once I click register, so after filling the form of the sign up page, once I click register, it will just show welcome and then username. So thank you for watching the video.